here's a little job or a project that I haven't done in a while. We're gonna put in a retaining wall along here. It's actually gonna start up at that very first sidewalk, kind of come down there, and you run down along behind this curb. We're gonna take two sections of that sidewalk and this sidewalk that kind of want to almost level this area off behind the building. I think I'm going to set at the top of the wall to be like maybe 2 or 3 inches lower than like up there where those doors are at to get some fall, but it'll, so like I said, start up at the first one. I'm still on the fence about how I'm going to get around that pole, and then it'll jog back in and there'll be some steps put in there and run down here and do the same thing around this one and then come around that curve, and then they'll come and put a fence back up. But yeah, these are something I used to do all the time, landscaping, but not as much now that I'm out on my own, just trying to do the dirt work and excavating. But with it raining all the time, the concrete guy that I kind of work for on all the building, he's I guess he found this because he's going to pour the steps and kind of redo these sidewalks. So he asked about if I wanted interested in doing the wall. So I said sure, at least it's on blacktop and I can kind of work. But I just kind of got me a benchmark. Like I said, I think it was up there by that door, and I was going to set the top of the wall at about 2 to 3 inches lower, probably 2 inches lower. It'll be pretty flat, but it'll have just enough fall like on that sidewalk and stuff for it to run down and drain off. But yeah, they want to put the fence back in on there too, so I'm actually going to put square corners on this wall. It would look a lot nicer to me because nobody parks. I was going to set it back in case anybody parked, but I guess they don't actually use this for parking. It's a daycare facility is what it is. So because they're also kind of worried, I guess they have to have so much square footage of playground area per child, I believe is what they said. So they were kind of worried about losing that square footage, because I'd have to move the wall. It'd probably, by the time the fence and everything, it'd be 2.5, 3 feet by the time you put that fence on the back side of those foot blocks. Then it would just run right along the edge of the curb, and I think it would look nice, and it would cut down on any kind of maintenance. Because if I had to end up moving it back, I'm just going to dig this out and put in like a creek rock or some kind of decorative rock where they don't have to really do anything. But yeah, I guess for starters, we'll pop these fence posts out, and then I'll go in here and start scratching all this out, and we're going to just kind of throw it up on the back side of it because we need to fill all that in once we're done. So we'll make some filler, and hopefully for today we'll get this dug out and get our footing put in for the wall. Okay, I guess I'll shut this off for now and keep kind of digging my way down here. Check back in a little bit. Part of it, I think, is what threw me off. Normally I pick the beginning and end of the wall, figure out my elevations well, but then wanting to leave the sidewalks and the wall to turn in there. Like I said, essentially it is like 3 retaining walls in one. I don't know, I'm letting that kind of bother me. It's just like I can't get it, I guess, where I think I need to be, so I don't know. Apparently I'm just out of it today. I'm out of the loop on retaining walls, or I shouldn't do numbers 1 and 2. But we'll make it work. Hoping to make a little more progress today with this. Oh well. Spare wheel. Bury the wheel back here, huh? seem like it kind of works, but I also kind of have the feeling that I dumped the rock too thick in some places and not enough in others. So we're just gonna roll. I'm gonna knock it down, rake it out. Everyone's tired of the rain. See, I got that dugout like 10 times wider than what I need, so I'm going to eat up more of my base rock. Yeah, it looks wonderful. And I got so much other junk lining up. It's like if I don't come over here and work on this, I don't know when I'm going to have time to get it and everything else. That's part of just trying to make everybody happy. There we go, yeah, let's get the dirt. Get the dirt all mixed in with it. This is where I need a grading bucket right here for this crap. Everybody loves a good train wreck, right? Started quickly running out of the truck. At some point I gotta put a step in there somewhere. So let's just make a mess. Why not? Put the plate compactor in there.